For this problem, I'll start by finding my auxiliary equation. It'll be in the form a times m squared plus b times m plus c is equal to 0. And our differential equation will be in the form a times y double prime plus b times y prime plus c times y is equal to 0. The coefficient of y double prime is 4, so we know a is going to be equal to 4. The coefficient of y prime is 1, so we know b is going to be 1. And there is no y term, so we know c is going to be equal to 0. We can now write our auxiliary equation as 4 times m squared plus m is equal to 0. We can factor an m out. It'll be m times 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. Our first root, m1, is going to be equal to 0. To find our second root, we'll write the equation 4m2 plus 1 is equal to 0. We can subtract 1 from both sides. We'll get 4m2 is equal to negative 1. So m2 will be equal to negative 1/4. Now that we have both our roots and they're different, we know the general solution is going to be in the form c1 times e to the m1x plus c2 times e to the m2x. We can now substitute our m values into this equation. Y will be equal to c1 times e to the 0x plus c2e to the negative 1/4 x. E to the 0 is going to be 1, so y is going to be equal to c1 plus c2 times e to the negative 1/4 x. And that is our final answer. If this video helped you, consider subscribing.